What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the cryptocurrency markets and going into the number one gold-backed cryptocurrency I see for 2020. This project provides a lot of profit potential with relatively low risk. And also, I've been looking at gold-backed cryptocurrencies for years now, literally since 2016. And this project specifically has me more excited about the way that they are handling the backing, the exchanging, and everything that has to do with the crypto. So before I get going, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my screen and talk a little bit about the total market cap. As you guys know, this is the altcoin total market capitalization, and we have a triangle pattern forming currently. There's a lot of fear, a lot of FUD right now. There's BitMEX stuff going on, people being worried about Arthur Hayes and BitMEX being seized and all of these different things. But you guys, I'm here to tell you that the cryptocurrency markets look better than ever. And before I get into the gold-backed cryptocurrency today, I wanted to give you guys some encouragement about the altcoin markets as well as the Bitcoin markets, because this triangle pattern is actually a bullish consolidation pattern. As you guys can see on the weekly candlesticks, we are testing our major support level, and I fully expect that support level to hold. A lot of people think that there's going to be another dip, a lower dip down, and I just do not see it happening. This consolidation pattern is very, very common. This is an ABC corrective wave down. This is a double bottom pattern, and this retest of major support is likely to hold. So what I'm watching for with the altcoin market cap is for us to make kind of a V shape right here, because there's like a V bottom right here, similar to this V bottom right here, or this V bottom right here. And I expect the market to push up through resistance and really continuate on the upside. So that's really, really good news for the altcoins, for the coins I've been posting in Discord, and for the Bitcoin markets as well, because Bitcoin will actually be carrying the altcoins up with it. You guys, I'm going to be talking about the gold-backed cryptocurrency GSX today because I'm personally extremely excited about this project. You guys, it's very rare that I find a gold-backed cryptocurrency that I can actually get behind. In fact, there's only a handful of ones that I actually like the way that they're doing the project. When it comes to GSX, they actually have this down to a science. This is a backed by gold cryptocurrency, and the way that it works is the people that own the land, the gold, and the people that have the actual gold and the gold mines, they own shares of that land. So they basically have stake in the land where the gold is. And so the cryptocurrency, what this actually solves, there's a lot of stable coins out in the markets, but the issue with stable coins is they don't increase in value at all. So there's no incentive for holding stable coins. What GSX actually does is it locks this coin to the value of the gold. And not only can you redeem that, so if you ever wanted to take your coins and replace it for physical gold, you can do that. And it's all audited by official documentation, by official auditors. Real redeemable gold money. It's a digital cryptocurrency, but you can redeem it at any time for actual gold because it's backed by actual gold miners, by actual land. You also get dividends. There's 50% of the coins that will be burned off, so the value of the project increases quite significantly. If you actually look right here, you guys can see that the price of GSX will actually start very, very small. The individual asset value will be worth about 23 cents per GSX. But as the burning happens, we could actually see it go up to 66 cents, over $1, and that's all in a very, very short period of time. I'm talking, in about a year's time, 1 to 2 years, we could have way over a 10x increase with GSX. And that is just being reserved. On this channel, I like to be reserved. I don't want to say a number that I don't think it'll actually hit, but it wouldn't surprise me if this coin 10x's after the actual token sell. There's a lot of really good information about it on the internet you guys can find. It's already been listed in lots of different major articles. As you guys can see, we have CoinDo, we have InsideBitcoins.com. There's actually 3 other articles I could show you. But there's a lot of different people interested in this project right now, and it's really just because this token sell that they're doing is a really, really good opportunity. And that's kind of why I figured I'd share this with you guys today and why I'm making this video, because I personally see this as being one of the only gold-backed cryptocurrencies that I can actually get behind. It having official auditors, governmental auditors, it having official land, it having dividends so you get paid for the land, it being backed by gold and also other currencies. Other metals. It's not just gold. There's a few other precious metals that they hold to allow the stability to be there and to allow the long-term growth to be there. But there's an estimated 500% increase in the assets just by 2021. So there's a lot of growth here inside of this market. It's very stable, very secure. The token sell is still running. And, I just wanted to make you guys aware of this before this sale actually ends, because there's a lot of bonuses. You have a 5% bonus, a 10% bonus, a 15% bonus, all just for the referral link. So make sure that you guys click the links in the description when you guys sign up for this, because there's a lot of money that you guys can be making off of this project, off of this token sell. And really, for me, this is a project I'm going to be watching for the rest of my life. And the reason for that is just because anything that is backed by physical gold and silver and is also audited by official governmental auditing and is also paid in dividends with coin burns, and you can redeem it, there's no reason why I wouldn't be watching this project for the long term, because of the fact that on every front that I can see, not only is it a real cryptocurrency, but it's also backed by physical things. And that's where a lot of these different cryptos are getting it wrong. Some of the cryptos are backed by digital services or goods or projects, like Tron is basically backed by the fact that you can gamble with it on different games and platforms because of the smart contracts that they have. Ethereum has CryptoKitties and all of the projects being built under Ethereum. So there is things inside of the digital space which can still be backed by digital value, but whenever you take physical value and attach it to the digital value, I see this as being revolutionary, and it's not done correctly very often, and GSX, in my view, is doing it correctly. So that's kind of one thing that I'm looking at, is the fact that they actually can redeem the coins, whereas a lot of different projects just say, oh, well, we have all of this gold, so trust us that we're going to peg the value of our currency to all this gold. Whereas this is actually, we have contracts, we have ownerships, there's trust beneficiaries. There's a lot of different things here to really make this a full functioning platform, an actual gold-backed cryptocurrency, probably the first actually gold-backed cryptocurrency. So Apollo FinTech is kind of the company, the currency, or the company behind it. And GSX is the gold-backed cryptocurrency that they're doing. You can get some more information. This is the white paper right here. It talks a little bit. This is for serious investors. This is for people that are serious about investing, that are really interested in the investing world. As you guys can see, over 50% after the CDE, over 50% will be burned. And the total cap of GSX coins is 30 billion. So it's capped, just like how there's a limited amount of gold on our earth, there's a limited amount of GSX tokens that can be produced. And there's also a minimum gold redemption value. And I actually like this because of the fact that this company knows these mines are real mines, and there's real mines and real land with the gold on it. And so these people don't want to mess around with somebody taking like $10 and then trying to redeem it for actual gold. These guys are working with real investors, working with large capital amounts. And so their redemption value is $200,000 for the gold. But I actually see this as being a good thing for the project because these guys are only worried about working with serious investors, institutional money, because they're actually working with real mines. And so in my view, the conclusion of that is that's actually a very good thing. They're kind of weeding out people that aren't serious about investing inside of this space when it comes to gold, cryptocurrency, precious metals, and contracts and currencies associated with them. So I'm actually very excited about this project. I'm glad that they reached out to me. I'm glad that this project is being made, is being developed, and I'm excited to see somebody actually implementing the idea of backing a digital currency with physical bullions. This isn't bullions specifically, but physical gold. And I think this is the first project I can actually say is doing it correctly. So that's kind of my view on GSX. I highly recommend you guys check it out. There are links in the description of this video. Make sure that you guys go check out the token sell. I know a lot of people hit me up about BDAO, people telling me they've already made tons of profit off of BDAO. So huge shout out to the people that did the BDAO token sell that I mentioned on my YouTube videos. You guys, this is another opportunity I see as being similar to that. In fact, this one will probably get you a better percentage gain than BDAO. And there's only 14 hours with this 27% buying bonus. So this is a very, very important time to be watching GSX. 14 hours left for 27%, and then that drops down. So you really, really want to make sure that you check it out while the getting is good, while the value is good, because the value of the coin right now is at 46 cents. And I think this could easily be over $1 in the next 2 years. So, the value is 4 cents, 4.6 cents. So we're not even at 40 cents yet, you guys. This is a 4-cent token. I apologize for that mispronunciation. It's valued at 4 cents, and it could go up to over $1 in the next 2 years. So this is why I'm talking about it on my channel. I don't talk about token sales very often. If projects reach out to me, rarely do I ever reply. Most of the time I ignore or delete them. This one specifically, I can actually get behind. I can actually get enthusiastic and excited about it because I see the value. I see the value proposition, I see the opportunity, and I see the token sell. There's a lot of DeFi projects out there right now, a lot of projects trying to get you to look over here or look over there, but there's only a few that you can put it in, have a high reward with a low risk. And that's what GSX is for me. So check it out. Links in the description. Huge shout out to GSX and Apollo FinTech. Awesome stuff you guys are doing here. Check out their video, read their white paper, learn a little bit more about it if you need to. But for me, I'm personally just going to hit this button because it's very rare that you get to purchase a coin at 27% bonus with only 14 hours left and a 4-cent token that will be worth over $1 in the future. So thank you guys for tuning in today's video. Again, the altcoin market cap looks amazing. That's going to drive up the value of multiple different projects, and a lot of these token sales like GSX, that's really good for these token sales, these companies, these projects. The altcoin market cap is looking awesome. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. If you liked it, hit that like button, share it with your friends. Seriously, get the message out about this project. I want a lot of people, somebody made one of my Twitter followers made $17,000 off my BDAO videos. So, although I don't make these token sell videos very often, when I do, you want to listen. Because you could make 17,000, you could make 30,000, you could make 100,000 off of these projects. So check it out. Links are in the description. Share it with your friends. Hit the like button. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you guys in future updates. As always, stay profitable out there.